Hey folks, this is Discmaster. You read the title right. I am making a comeback finally. Most of my delay came from moving into this new house, which has a nice new office for me to hole up in and put all my stuff in here. So I thought I'd give just a brief tour of what that looks like right now. It's still a mess. This is what I've been getting set up so that I can actually record videos. Again, it has to all be clean. Well, not necessarily clean, but at least organized. Otherwise, I will never find any drives in this collection. And this is not all of them. There's still boxes full of drives. Like that box right there is full of drives. This one here, full of drives. And there's some more boxes out in the rest of the house full of drives. So, I just figured I'd give this update because I've got something interesting coming in the mail. Hopefully Monday. So that'll be 2 days from when you're watching this, if you're watching it at upload date. And I'm hoping to make a nice video to go with that soon. I'll give you a look at the network closet I've got going here. Yes, it is the ugliest network closet in history. But it's got to get done somehow, right? So, I just wanted to give that brief little update and say, hey, there's things to look forward to. There'll be videos again soon. Like I said, I'm hoping to have something out probably Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, sometime this week. And hopefully get back to normal videos again soon, because I've still got a lot of drives to cover. A lot. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you very much for watching today. Thank you very much for being subscribed, or welcome to the channel if you just found it. Have a great rest of your weekend.